Let's go through the top 6 things to consider when choosing the right foam for your project and explain why they matter for application design.
First up, cell structure. There are 2 main types of foam: open cell foam, which lets air flow in and out, kind of like a tennis ball with holes; closed cell foam, which traps air in like a balloon.
Next, compression set. This measures how well foam bounces back after being compressed. Think of it as a foam's memory. How good is it at returning to its original shape over time?
Now, let's talk density. Density refers to how much material is packed into the foam. The denser the foam, the heavier and more durable it is, and better at blocking sound.
What's that? I can't hear you.
Dense foam is great for soundproofing.
Moving on to firmness. Firmness tells us how squishy a foam is when you press on it. Unlike solids, which are measured by durometer, foams are always measured or rated for firmness.
Next is compression force deflection, or CFD. This is how we actually measure a foam's firmness. A CFD curve shows the relationship between how much the material compresses and the force it takes. At first, the foam compresses easily with little force, but as you continue applying pressure, more force is required to compress it further. This is especially important for sealing applications, where finding the right balance between softness and resistance ensures a secure, reliable seal. Keep in mind that every material has its own unique CFD curve.
And finally, stress relaxation. This tells us how much pushback force a foam loses over time. It's an important factor in maintaining a long-term seal.
These 6 factors are the building blocks of foam selection. Understanding them will help you choose the perfect foam for your application.
Need assistance finding the right foam? The Rogers and TBP teams are here to help. And in our next video, we'll bust a common water sealing myth.